Hello ACES scholars, I'm here today to give you a demo on how to get started on your new student orientation, aka NSO. Are you ready? Let's get started! NSO consists of 4 simple steps. First, log into your MyMC account. I highly recommend you to favorite this page so that you have quick access to it instead of going to Montgomery College homepage. Log in. Then, on your MyMC screen, look at the top of the page. Select Counseling and Advising Network Starfish icon right here. After that, a pop-up screen, Meet with a Counselor Advisor, comes up. Scroll down to the middle of the page under Complete Orientation. Select New Student Orientation. On the New Student Orientation screen, scroll down to the question, how do I access it? And how long will it take to complete? Select Sign in here to begin. Once signed in, you may begin. Please note that NSO is required for all MC students. Accessible anywhere, anytime. It takes about 40 minutes to complete. You have the option to complete it in one sitting or stop and return. As always, feel free to reach out to your ACES coach at your high school if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more MC onboarding process brought to you by ACES program. Leave a like or comment below.